Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a dense kabuki brush and testing your product on the jawline so color and texture match. Once done, tap out just 1 small amounts of powder or press a pea-sized cream onto a palette. You load the brush by gently pressing into product. Don't overload. Light pressure picks up evenly. Make sure to tap off excess into the jar rim so application stays controlled and streak-free. You apply with short, circular buffing motions. This distributes pigment and prevents lines. Start at the center of the face, beneath cheekbones and nose, then move outward. This mirrors natural oil pattern and gives even coverage. Once you've blended a section, move to the forehead and jaw with the same small circles and light pressure. Make sure to layer gradually. Building in thin coats gives control and a natural finish rather than a cakey look. You finish by checking the overall blend in natural light and softening any visible edges with the brush's rim in feathering motions. Once done, lightly set oily zones with a translucent dust if longevity is needed. If you encounter patchiness, don't panic. Dampen the brush slightly and rebuff the area in tiny circles to marry product with skin. Make sure to clean the brush regularly. Residue causes uneven pickup and patchy results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.